Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord sorry you have been blocked error message. So basically you could wait for this to fix out itself, since it will eventually be okay after some time, but for the meantime you could do these methods that I'm going to show you. So first, what you'd want to do is open up your browser. So this is for the Discord users that uses the browser, of course. So go to your browser, go to the three dots right here and click on, so where is it? It's settings. After you've gone to settings, click on the privacy and security, click on clear browsing data and time range for the last hour, and make sure that all of these are checked. If you the most important things here is these two, the cookies and cached images. So after that, just click on clear data, just like so. Restart your browser, but make sure to check if Chrome is up to date. So as you can see, mine is just still updating. Wait for it to update. And now as you can see, it is not updating. And once that's done, you just need to relaunch it. Wait for it to launch again. And as you can see, Chrome is up to date right now. Next method that you can do is disabling your firewall. So just search Firewall right here, Windows Defender Firewall. Click on that. So, wrong one. So search Firewall again, and here, the Firewall Network Protection. And so click on that. This window will open. And click on Domain Network and turn off Microsoft Defender Firewall, just like so. It will prompt, just like that. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.